Well, as you can see, I've got that one done, and I've actually got the fins on this one as well. So they've both got fins on. That's still drying. Much quicker without the camera, but and plus I might change the camera coming in this way, because I basically yeah, I'm right-handed for a lot of stuff. I actually can use both hands for a lot of stuff as well, but the point is I find that this is what I favour. So there you go. So I'm going to put that back up on its stick, just in case you didn't know, that's what it's on. And it goes into my Tamiya paint stand, which you can't see. You can see the base of it over there. I've got my other parts done. I think I mentioned that earlier on with not that one, because that's a spare. 5 and 7. These are the fins that go on the actual tail end. And then I've got the a bit of PE to do on the front end, and I think this is very similar to Ron Calvary's torpedoes, although you don't have to do, I think it was 12 or 10, in the way of the little fins on the front. So it's the same sort of thing, but obviously different scale. But believe it or not, Bronco and I think Hobby Boss are all connected with Trumpeter anyway, so basically it's where some of the things go together in a similar way, and I think that's what it is. There's my razor saw, as I said. I used to put the bits around and rescribe the lines after sanding. So, and I like this. I might have to get another one of these, but mind you, I'm going to use it to let it dry, and then it goes back on the side. I took me tape out of it, Tamiya tape out of it, because you don't really need it in there, but in case it was handy at the time. So there you go. So, and I'll put that fin up out of the way now, up here for the moment, because now I'm going to be working on those bits there. So that's it for this little short quick interlude, as it were, and I'll be back shortly. Well, we're back now, because I've got these little bits here that actually go into the torpedo, and 2 slight parts, so, and little recesses. So just not the circles, just these ones. If I can do that. There they are. So I've got to take these or cut these off. Here's my old trusty bits that come over the side. Here we go. Go as close as I can, without cutting too much off. That's one. I'm not going to cut the other 2 off for the other torpedo until I'm actually ready for them, because I know sometimes you can just put these things down and they disappear. 2. These are very good cats. I have got the God Hands ones as well, but I only use it on special occasions. I've been using these display ones as well, and they're very good. They're both, but I think these have got the edge on it, but I still like the display ones as well. So the display tools, I've got quite a few display tools, like benders and things, and I think they're really good. Well, here we go. I'm just going to make sure that that has got nothing, no sprue on it. So I'm going to do this, get in my little handies. You most probably won't be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm sorry. I've got to just going to circle it slightly, and that's off. And do the same with this one. I want to take it out of round. That's it, that's done. So now I will use the pinchers now in a second. I'm going to drop a bit of glue in, and the good thing is, because I've got it on this stand and it's not tight in there, it just lifts up, I can drop a bit of glue into there and drop it into place. Well, that's the idea anyway. As you're going to, oops, keep forgetting about the camera, I'm sorry about that. Might better come in a bit closer. Whoops. Bring it down a bit. It's funny how these things move. I'm going to come back up to there. Drops down slightly, always does, so it sort of goes into its position. Move that out of the way. Got my 2 bits here, you can see just here. I'll move that a little bit into the centre, because that's the best place for the camera. Not necessarily the best place for me though. That's it. Let's bring the chair a bit closer. There you go, sorry about that, got in the way of the camera. And where's my glue? So what we're going to do now is we're going to get a bit of this up here. It goes that way. Always get it the wrong way. Now it's the right way. Put that there. Drop a little bit of glue into the hole, which you might see and might not. Yeah, you can when I'm doing this. There's another way, drop part in and then put the glue in afterwards, but I think I'll do it this way. And it's into place. drops into place there, sunk in. There you go, sunk there. That's that bit done. And I've got to do one the other end now, and got to get that there as well, and that's that way. Put some glue in the hole again. Oh, you can't see it again, can you? I'm going to have to go the other way because this is my favourite hand. Oh, it's all right this way, I suppose. Most of that evaporated. And it's in. Now I can be very sparing. I don't want to flood it, so I'm just take it and just drop a bit of extra thin in there, around there. There you go, and I'll do the same with the other one. And then very thinly, so you can see, here's drop it a little bit in there, just to make sure that it does do some. Just to make sure. There you go. And I'm going to put some more in this one just to make sure, just a tad. And we're talking about a tad there. There you go, that's enough. Right, that's that one done. Now I might as well carry on and put these ones in. So there's that one, and that one. So again, what I'm going to do is I don't know if I can, I'll try and turn it slightly. Come in from, no. I might be able to do it at the other end, I don't know, give it a go. I'm going to put some glue in here. Done that, it's nice. Get this now, this has got to go on the curved way that way, and put it into there. I'm going to have to take it up from there and then bring it up and push it in and line it up. There you go, and that's in. One. Sorry if my hand was in the way when I was pushing it in, but it's got to be done. Oh, sorry. Another big dollop. It does span to the edges. Through it again. And it's lined up again. Lovely. And one more then on the back. I'll try and get used to doing it this way for the moment. That's why I decided to move the camera to the other side. There you go. And this one. And that's gone in there nice and level as well. There you go. So basically we're getting there. So I'll do the other one off camera now, so see you in a couple of seconds.